Good morning, Emmy.
Oh,
What's that?
my morning time.
Your morning time. In Karting.
咩咪去我入嗰度。
After that, Aaron and I found this
We're here in Odaiba today. Gonna go check out the Takoyaki Museum before TeamLabs at the Marikart installation.
Most interesting building you can see.
Tickets before I wait for your turn. We'll call your number.
Oh my gosh, she follows my head.
VR ride at
BRI.
Kawasaki Museum.
I think it's to tour the factory.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's a tour of the factory.
Cool. Show me the completed form. That is Azar drawn by a robot. Cool.
That's pretty cool. I'll hang that up on my wall.
Okay, Emmy picked this one. The robot is gonna draw us a draw us a photo. And we're at Hello Kitty Land. Made it to Odaiba City Food Court. Somehow we managed to find a table that was big enough to fit everyone. So now I'm gonna find some food and roll some food montage. Okay, I'm gonna go back there to eat. So it's looking like this one or that one. Depends which one's chili. And this one in the end. And getting a Coke. Finished eating at the food court. Delicious katsu. We're outside looking for the Gundam, and oh my god, it's so big. I always forget how big this Gundam is. Check it out. Actually, before we check out the Gundam, there's some boy band, Japanese boy band happening. I'm somehow attending a boy band concert, so I also pump the music. Now, this Gundam is ginormous. It's different to the one I used to see. It looks like it's called Unicorn Gundam. I don't know if you can see, but it's huge. I don't know if I can put my hand here or something. So every 2 hours supposedly it changes, lights up and changes into a different Gundam. Or the head changes. Oh really? Okay. Oh, they don't stop here, okay. we stumbled upon a place called Venus Grand, and it looks like Venetian, so it looks like we're in Vegas for some uncanny reason. Trying to put Amy to sleep right now, but she's resisting sleep, so hopefully 5-10 minutes she'll get to sleep and we'll get some shopping done. Of all things, I'm gonna have Indian curry today. For me,
It was really good.
finished. We're going Mario Karting. Where are Amy?
大宮駅です。
しばらくお待ちください。
Kid free from this moment.
We're going Marikart, and it's just peak hour, so we're trying to push for everyone. But it's so much easier without the kids, I'll tell you right now.
So much easier.
If you're not we're just getting ready. Nick is dressed as the Cheshire Cat, and I am Doraemon, but I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah.
Ding dong. So it's gonna be super cold outside, so we've got jackets underneath. This guy's Batman. There's some Spider-Man, Captain America.
You do look like Captain America.
He's so puffy.
Like you.
Yeah. And it's Ninja Turtles, I think. He's just getting some GoPro and we're ready to go.
So fun. Stressful being at the back.
Yeah, don't be
getting
at the
beat.
back. That was cool.
That was an experience.
That's fun.
Yeah.
That would have been so bad. Like,
What's in there? Just finished Marikart. We're back at where are we? Shiragawa Station. We're gonna head off somewhere. I don't know if we're going back or doing something. We'll figure it out. And see how it goes. We saw something odd just then, and we pulled back. Okay, Vincent just left. We lost Jan, so we're just gonna go back home and just rest and do something else. Just sleep or something. I don't know.
Just like the photo.
That one and that one. Almost identical.